Okay, hey guys, we're at Six Flags. I'm with two of my friends. Today, what is today? The 22nd, I think. I forgot to do this last time I was here, which was on Friday the 20th, I think. I forgot to grab a park map for Fright Fest. Oh, we're going this way, right? Yeah. We're gonna eat because we actually got here at 2:30, I think. We're gonna eat at Metro Grill, and I'm so happy I grabbed the Fright Fest map. And I remembered it as soon as I got in. I'm like, oh, I grabbed the Fright Fest. I remembered the Fright Fest map, and I was happy. So we're gonna go eat and ride some rides here. Yeah. Okay, but anyways, I got my food. As I was saying, there's people like at two tables where it's just one person, and they're talking to each other. So you gotta be with each other. It's annoying. I hate when people do that. Yeah, I got me a grilled chicken sandwich and potato chips. And I'm about to eat this, and then we're probably gonna hit Justice League, then Wonder Woman right there. Yay, we're about to ride Justice League, and there's a huge line. Yay. Hey. The lasers weren't working on one of the screens.
Let's check out how you scored on
I did terrible.
Great job. Nice job. Shoot.
You should be very proud.
Now let's see who took the top spot.
Yay.
Booyah!
I could have gotten 180 or
some of our screens, our guns weren't working.
Yeah, the blaster wasn't working, right?
Also,
It didn't show the blaster.
Yeah. Also, I took Justin's glasses. I said I was seeing in 4D. So it looked
yeah. But I could have gotten 190K, but of course that screen wasn't working. I was so mad. He was gonna take the mustard on the ride. Yummy or Yeezy. Yeezys. But he was gonna take it on the ride and throw it up there, and now it's ruined.
I'm sad.
Now it's on his shoe.
I have to clean it up.
Yummy or mustard.
I can't clean it up now.
Justin reserved seats for us on Wonder Woman, and someone still took them. We did get on though, but not all next to each other, which kind of sucks.
I'm bringing a ketchup packet and a mustard packet next time.
Yeah, put them on the
seats.
seats.
If they take the wrong seats, they're getting... I'm gonna bring my water.
So as usual at the end of Dark Knight, we were all clapping, and they kept going. They kept going till they got out of the car. And then he says that was a very fun ride.
I said that was a fun ride.
Oh, fun ride. We're probably gonna head over to Batman we can go to right now.
Yeah.
It's right here, so we might as well.
What time?
Okay, we just got off Batman. Someone threw up right before we got on, so that was fun. Yeah, now we're gonna go to Nitro and then probably watch the parade, and I don't know what we're gonna do from there. So yeah, let's see if we can see anything. Let's see. Oh. Was this fence here? Oh yeah, there is an opening over there. Huh. This is interesting. Oh, you see like a pathway, there's a walkway. That's interesting. So we're currently waiting for the parade. It's like, I think 15 to 6. What is it, 15 minutes to 6? Alright, yeah, so about 15 minutes to 6. By the fountain waiting for the parade. Then we're probably gonna watch the parade. Go to El Toro. I don't know about this. I don't know what's going on. I don't know. Oh my god, it's the Undertaker. Oh my gosh, it's the Undertaker's music. By God, it's the Undertaker's music. There he is. There's the Undertaker. That's him. That's the Undertaker.
Oh no. He broke his leg.
No, that guy in green. That guy in green, that's the Undertaker.
You think I can do this mode?
That's the Cripple Taker. Recording with their 3DS. Oh, he put it down. Oh. Yep, he's recording with his 3DS. That's funny. Was that a 2DS?
Photos being taken.
Can't tell.
They're scary.
What in the world? What are they holding? Oh, they're mad funny.
Yeah.
Wait, why do they have headsets?
They're on
Where's Big Chungus? Oh. Bro, that's Fortnite.
Yeah.
That's a Fortnite. There's the Undertaker. He was at my school. I'm gonna scare him. Watch this. Okay, so we did El Toro and King Takal. Both were great. We're gonna eat. He's gonna do a maze, and then we're gonna go home. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. It was a short one, but still something. So goodbye.